I started noticing it thinning out when I was about 24, and then I started doing all the other, the chemicals and everything else you put in your hair. And I remember going to my barber one time and I said, "Hey, I've been using this Rogaine, and I said, I don't know if it's doing any good." And he said, "Well, stop using it, see what happens." And at that point, I thought, my God, I'm terrified to stop using this stuff, because if I do, then my hair may or may not fall out more or faster. But if I don't stop, then it's still falling out, and I knew that was going to be the case. So I did end up stopping. I didn't keep using that stuff, and it just kind of progressed at the same pace that it had been before. And I kept feeling like I was looking older and older and older than I really am. I mean, I'm not even 40 yet. I shouldn't look like a 60-year-old man. So I met with National Hair Centers after I had kind of looked around at a bunch of other places in the valley too. And there's a lot of places that do some form of hair restoration, but when I talked to National Hair Centers, I knew these guys, they know what they're doing, and they've got the most current technology. And so I was pretty comfortable moving forward with those guys. They really knew what they were doing, and I felt pretty comfortable with it. It was important to me to have the latest technology, because some of the older stuff, you hear these horror stories of people that have got these giant scars or things didn't go right. And I saw some photos online. Of course, the worst thing you can ever do is go online and find out horror stories, but that's what I did. And I was seeing, these people with scars in the back of their head that were all wavy and things like that. And these are people in the valley too. So I was really concerned that if I went with some of the older technologies that some of the other places were using, that I was going to end up with this permanent scar on the back of my head, and I didn't want to do that. So it was really important to me to find some place that did this FUE transplant, this technology, so that I didn't have any scarring, but I still had the same kinds of results, and that's exactly what ended up happening. The difference between a year ago and now is so remarkable. In fact, I've got my old badge that's got my picture from before, and then compared to now, you can see the difference. It's really crazy how much more hair I have. The results have far exceeded my expectations. I thought, oh good, I'll have enough that I can comb over, but that's not the case at all. It really filled out, and I can style my hair now. Not that I do, as you can see. I still go with that same haircut I had when I was 12. Cut it short, comb it over, call it good. But now I cut it short, comb it over, and it's all there.